Hi and welcome back. So I wasn't sure if I was actually going to film this, but I'm not putting any other content out at the moment, so I'm working on this. And I thought, a couple of people said, yeah, please film me and that. And I thought, well, yeah, I'm building a model, but something slightly different. This is going to be a cosplay. And I'm building the Doomsday Machine to wear as a hat. This is about a quarter of its final length, so that gives you an idea how big this is going to be. It's going to be, I reckon, maybe 2.5 foot that I'm going to be wearing on my head as a hat. I do plan to put an enterprise on it as well. I'm still working on which enterprise. I bought a micro machine, but I'm not sure if this might be too small or just right. Because what I want to actually put a motor in and have this moving sort of like that. And then I'll have some phaser bursts coming out, but that's going to happen sort of down this end above my head, so the weight balances, because this is really lightweight I'm building. How I'm building it, doing moulds, outer, inner, so I'm just building that ring. Filling it with this stuff, Gorilla Foam. And then I'm papier-mâching over, because papier-mâché is giving that sort of like crater effect that we get on the Doomsday Machine. So I think that's going to give a really nice effect. This is ready because I need to make 3 of these all together, because this is where my head's going to go and the electrics are going to fit in. So that's the next step. I am starting to make a mould for my head. This does fit over my head. I'm going to carry on doing these strips and then papier-mâché right over this. So it'll make a solid headpiece that will fit inside these. So I'm going to get these 3 moulds made, these 3 sections made, cut them in half so I've got a top that'll sit nicely over, and then I'll be able to the bottom sort of mould it into this headpiece. This foam's great stuff. It doesn't really matter on the shape of the inner one. It's the outer I need to be right, and that might be out to. So this, all I do is don't need to fill it right to the top, because it is foam and it will keep expanding for a little bit. Level it all off once it's done. Just make sure we're nicely full. Leave that to set overnight. So it'll take me a couple of days to get all these done. In the meantime, I can be working on my headpiece. So I think that's a good catch up of what we're doing. Haven't started on any of the mechanics or the electronics yet. I have got a 1/1000 Enterprise coming, and I'm off to see what size that is, because I might go with the 1/1000, but I'll need to work on probably a bigger motor, so it depends on its weight if it's practical to do what I want. But yeah, that's a good catch up, I think. Next time we'll have these 3 moulds out, and we'll be looking at building into the headpiece, and the centre one needs to be detachable so we can get to where we want to be playing with electrics. But for now, thank you for watching. Keep trekking and keep modelling. Thank you. Goodbye.